million available to use toward health resources. He wants to make sure that money is used as efficiently as possible. Wyden says the country is preparing for yet another COVID-19 surge, and this time a surge with new variants. He says places like La Clinica offer needed health resources and advocates for people who have the ability to assist the clinic in vaccinating as many people as it can.
And what I'm so proud to be able to say is La Clinica, particularly because of the trust that they have developed in this community, is a place where those very vulnerable people feel comfortable in coming.
La Clinica has been able to vaccinate about 36% of Latinx patients, and it aims to reduce disparities in vaccine distribution. The CEO says those with medical expertise can call to volunteer to help the clinic meet its vaccination goals.
Speak with our staff about shifts and availability for consistent volunteer support. And it really helps when everyone does our part. We have a special need for clinical volunteers, so people who can actually administer the vaccinations, and that'll help us scale up.
And some community members who have been vaccinated expressed their gratitude for La Clinica's services. One saying in part, "I want to keep staff and patrons at the library safe." And La Clinica says it means a lot to them to be able to provide these services, including vaccinations like you see going on right here. But they say that they're not going to be able to do it without the necessary volunteers needed to get all of these people vaccinated to reach their vaccination goal for the Rogue Valley. Reporting live in Medford, Tyler Ridgel, Newswatch 12.
Now, the senator didn't stop his tour in Medford. Senator Wyden also visited Grants Pass Pharmacy. He said independent pharmacies and telemedicine have worked hard over the past year to ensure that people had the health resources they needed. And with a new position, he plans to continue supporting healthcare efforts.
Senior Democrat on the Senate Finance Committee to shoehorn expanded coverage for telemedicine into the first CARES package, the first coronavirus bill. I'm going to make that coverage permanent.
Senator Wyden said he wanted to visit Grants Pass Pharmacy in particular because the owner has been serving the community year after year. He said they've been providing services that members of the community depend on.